guys, today I'm going to teach you how to build a Lego coffee machine. First, to build this, you need this piece, then this cube, then this one, which is, you can't see properly, so I'll put it zoomed in, and then put it on the floor. And then you need this coffee cup, also this. Starting to build it, you need this one first, how I told you. Put the cube in the right, put it on top of the cube, put this on top of the cube. Stupid one, I told you. Put this coffee cup right here in the right, but the handle's showing the right side like that. And this one over here. Hope you enjoyed my video, so stay tuned and watch more videos of the Yeah Buddy games.